Welcome to the Avalon RV Showcase. Today we're going to show you the Salem 29 BDBX. This thing has a ton of room and bunk beds. Let's check it out. Here on the outside of this RV, you'll notice we have the nice flat fiberglass sides. And this is a free upgrade from Salem, a limited time offer. You get free fiberglass. So the same price you would pay for an aluminum sided trailer, you're paying for this 29. So that's a great deal right there. We have our nice big awning with our LED awning light built right in. And then right underneath, we have our outdoor kitchen. We have our flat cooktop. We have our mini fridge so we can bring our drinks out. We can have our snacks out here, grill up some burgers, whatever we're eating. We got our outdoor kitchen right under our nice big awning. We have outdoor speakers as well, so if you want to listen to your favorite music outside, you can do that. And then also right before you jump into this unit, you'll notice we have the nice step above system. We have a nice big grab handle, which makes it very easy to enter the RV. Let's go take a look. Starting here in the bunkhouse and the half bathroom, right? You don't see too many half bathrooms in a travel trailer, but you have it here in the 29 BDB. But you'll notice we have the nice big double bunks up top. You do have lights in either one, as well as USB chargers. So if you need to charge your phone, whatever you need to charge, an iPad, something like that, no problem. You have chargers built right into the bunks. We'll head into the half bathroom. We got a good sized half bathroom in here. We do have our medicine cabinet. We have our running water. We really have everything we need here in the half bath. You got your wood pocket door. So if you need some privacy, no problem at all. And it's nice to have a bathroom here on the back side of our RV. If friends or family want to come in and use the bathroom, it's right here, very accessible. They're not tracking a bunch of dirt, sticks, leaves, things like that through the RV. You'll also notice you have this cubby area. You can turn it into a desk. There's some power. There's USB chargers. So if you want to do some work, put a computer down or something like that, very easily can be done here in the 29. Here in the living area, very comfortable, right? We have our Versa Lounge. So if you want to have a bigger U-booth dinette, no problem. If you want to have a bigger lounge, no problem at all. So I love the Versa Lounge setup with Salem. To me, it makes a lot of sense, and it's one of the cooler features you'll see in a lot of the RVs out there on the market. So you'll notice nice big U-booth dinette. If you want to have some more sleeping space, or rather if you want to have some more eating space, you can turn it into the U-booth, which I love having that. You'll also notice underneath here, you have these nice big totes, food grade totes, very easy to access. We can put our gear in there, load it up, bring it in. So I love having those extra storage totes. We have, 2 under here. We have 3 under the couch. So at least 5 storage totes. So plenty of room for the gear, for the goodies. Another cool thing is behind our television, we have a nice big pantry with a motion light. So plenty of room for our food, plenty of room for our gear, very easy to use. Nice big spot for our television here. So we have a nice big entertainment stand. We have the surround bar and the electric fireplace built right underneath. So this is a great floor plan. Moving into the kitchen, we'll notice nice big fridge and freezer combo. Plenty of room in there for our food, for our drinks, whatever we're bringing, we got some room for it. I love having the nice big fridge and freezer combo because the more food we bring, the less traveling back and forth to the grocery store, the convenient mart we have to do. 3 stovetop burner. We have our glass stovetop cover here. So if we're not using the stovetop, we get some counter space back. If we are using the stovetop, we got our 3 stovetop burner here. Nice big RV oven. So if you want to do some oven cooking, you can get it done here in the 29. So just a great floor plan. We have the seamless countertops right here in the kitchen. So we're not going to have to worry about, water dropping into those seams, swelling up those countertops. So I like that. We do have our dry rack here, as well as a nice big sink. It does have a 50-50 divider. So if you want to, wash in one side, rinse in the other, you can easily get it done here in this sink. Residential style sprayer. We have nice storage compartments right over top. We really have everything that we need here in the main living area and the bunkhouse. Let's check out the bathroom. Okay, Nice size shower. Plenty of room here in the shower. I'm roughly 5'9", 5'10", probably 6 to 8 inches of headspace right here in the shower, so plenty of room. We have the concaved shower curtain here, so it gives us a lot of elbow space. We have a nice tall shower head here. So we have a nice big shower here in the 29. We have our toilet. We have our running water, medicine cabinet. We have our power, so if you need to, blow dry your hair, plug in a toothbrush, something like that, not a problem. It can be done here in the 29. Heading into the master bedroom. Nice big master. You have the king size bed with the corner cuts here, which really allows you to still utilize your room as you need to, but still have a nice big king size mattress. Right? We can still access our closet because of the corner cut here, so we have plenty of room to hang up our gear. We have hanging space on either side of the bed. You'll notice if you go through the cubby, we have access to power as well, so that you can plug in a phone, a laptop, an iPad, whatever you need to, you can get it done here in the 29. So if you're looking for a nice bunkhouse that's got a lot of room in the living space, a nice bunkhouse and 2 bathrooms, this 29 is a great floor plan for you. That's a Salem Platinum 29 BDBX, and if you're looking for a new great floor plan with a great bunkhouse and 2 bathrooms, this is your unit. You can check us out online all year round at avalonrvcenter.com. We give you some of the best pricing in the nation, or if you want to speak to a human, you can always give us a call right here at our Medina location, 330-239-2131. We'll see you next time.